Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2018 23 Vantage, and it's powered by the Mercury Verado 350 on the back. That's plenty of horsepower for this to get right up in plane. It gives you a really good top end as well. You got, real top end Minn Kota power pole, powered. It's got the remote as well. You've got the ski tow package here, fold down seat. Got the tea table. And in the seat here, that's very versatile. It has a live well underneath it, so you've got you're set up for fishing very, very nicely. You got the Yeti cooler, and then as we turn around, we're gonna start looking at the head area. It's got a pump out head, and it also has the Raymarine touchscreen on the helm with a VHF radio, and you got the active trim on it as well. As we move to the front of the boat, another tea table. So you've got two tables. You've got the split bow rail for safety, and it also has the beach boarding ladder if you want to go up to the beach. Yeah, it gets you safely on and off the front of the boat. Boat does everything very, very well for a 23-foot boat. It's plenty safe for the Gulf. It's shallow draft on the inside, so it'll do everything you want. So if you got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. You can call it 603-213-1194, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube.